Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop an image in WPS Office. So if you want to do it, first you need to insert here a new image. So we go to Insert tab and then we need to click on Picture. Now we click from this device and now I need to select image that I want to import. So for example, I'm going to select this one image and I click Open. And now image has been successfully inserted here. If you want to crop it, you need to click on this one icon. And then you will be able to modify the crop area. Everything depends on your preferences. So for example, I'm going to crop it in this way and I will change the dimensions of this crop area. Remember that you can always modify the shape of cropping. You can click on this one icon to do it and you can select the oval shape, for example this one, and then you will be able to crop by oval shape, maybe something like that. Of course, you can change position of this crop to this one. And if you would like to crop the image, you need to press Enter button. After that, it will be successfully cropped. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.